Welcome back to An Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making soft and fluffy eggless fried donuts, golden brown on the outside, light and airy inside, and coated with sugar. Perfect for any sweet cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, take half cup warm milk, 3 tablespoons sugar, and 2 teaspoons yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes to activate. Always use warm milk, not hot, to activate the yeast properly. Now add 2 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, and 1/4 cup curd. Mix well. Using curds adds calcium and probiotics for better digestion. Donuts are energy rich, a quick treat for kids and adults alike. Then add 3 tablespoons butter and knead into a smooth dough. Knead the dough well until it's soft and elastic. Rub some butter on top and keep aside for 40 minutes to rise. Take some dough, place it on baking paper. Spread lightly and cut in donut shapes using a nozzle. Fry in medium heated oil. Fry the donut on medium heat, avoid burning and to cook evenly. Remove the baking paper and fry until golden brown. Donuts were originally fried by Dutch settlers in America. There's even a National Donut Day celebrated every June in many countries. Making donuts without eggs still gives you soft fluffy result with curd and butter. Homemade donuts are healthier than store-bought since you control the oil and sugar. Finally, coat with sugar and your eggless fried donuts are ready. Coat with sugar while they are still slightly warm, so it sticks perfectly. These eggless fried donuts are fluffy golden and simply delicious. Try them fresh at home and surprise your family. Comment below your favorite donut flavor, sugar, chocolate or glazed. Don't forget to subscribe to An Oven Cake and Cookies for more sweet delights.